Let's take a look at our Startup Insights task. Insert a pitch deck and select its industry. Now let's start the task. You can see the PolyQ engine processing through the different parts of our task and assessing each slide of the uploaded deck. As you can see, PolyQ has created a description for the entire deck. The next part of our task creates what we call Startup Pitch. Using machine learning and specific knowledge bases, we are able to improve on the generic output you see out of many LLMs today. Finally, we have the Startup Qualification. Our platform will give a score based on a VC's knowledge and qualification requirements, streamlining the processing time of any VC. On the go? Don't worry, PolyQ's got you with your audio transcription of all of these startup insights.
DoorDash presents a compelling business model with significant market potential.
At PolyQ, we make AI easy for business.